Okay!
Do you want your cranberry juice?
Oh, Graham, you gotta get out of the car.
Why?
There's a weight limit.
Do I fucking look 4 tons to you, you dickhead?
They got you, sucker. Fucking loser.
What the fuck? I'm a whore, you idiot.
I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch. Don't understand.
Me and Eric are about to go vandalize some stuff.
Hi, sure about this?
Yeah, man, just go, hurry.
You know that feeling when you're running for your life?
Dude, I thought you could do a kickflip.
I can. I did one this morning.
What the hell are you doing?
I am doing my eyebrows.
That's a big ass mirror.
I have big ass eyebrows.
Y'all ugly.
Hey, that's honey. Phil's on TV.
Hello. It's currently 1/2 past. I don't give a fuck.
But I'm gonna be butt ass naked so the wind could just be hitting my balls and shit. Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
Hold up. You messing with my truck? You messing with my truck, dipstick?
I am fucking fuming!
It says hot boy. Hot boy. Hot boy. Hot boy. Hot boy. Hot boy.
I have an idea. Vaginal mesh. Bladder.
I got new shoes.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
No. I'm just cooking pizza. He actually put a hole in the floor.
Ah!